Hey guys, it's time for our monthly market update and Happy New Year. It's 2020 and I have a lot to cover because we've got year-end numbers and monthly numbers and everything to go over. So excited to be here, excited to see where 2020 takes us. Things are getting off to a really hot start, not just a good start, a hot start. So let's get to it. North Texas home sales last month jumped 15% compared with December of 2018. This was enough to put us in a up year. So 2019, we had record sales. The median sale price was up 3%, which 3% is more of a normalized growth market. We're still growing, but it's hard to grow at the numbers that we had grown at in previous years as we've been going through this boom here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. But we're still growing and breaking records every year. Only another thing is foreclosures. Dallas is the narrowest market when it comes to foreclosures, the fewest out of Texas and America from a national and state average. We are at 0.2% of home mortgages going into foreclosure. So good times, guys. Economy is booming. That is the prime probably metric for what our economy is doing when everybody's able to pay their mortgages that they've committed to. So that's great news for everybody. Area real estate's sold more than 108,000 single-family homes, and that is up 3% year over year. So we were up from 2018 to 2019. We were up 3% as far as the amount of homes sold. So 3% transactions increase and 3% price increase. So watch your taxes. Shouldn't be more than 3% because that's all we've grown as far as price. Now it does change. Some areas decline, some areas increase. Get with your real estate agent to help you with your taxes. Make sure the government's doing you right. Let's go ahead and take a look at these numbers on North Texas home sales. So North Texas home sales were up 15%. This is for December. Median price was up 5%. Days on market up 3%. So the median price up 5% in just December alone. Days on market, we're still seeing homes sit a little longer. So there's still inventory out there. Pending sales are up 18%. So that's a lead indicator into January. And I'm seeing that in my business. We're starting the year off stronger than we ever have. And it's due to awesome clients and this economy and this market. And it's like the pendulum is shifting back towards where we might start see ourselves going back into a stronger seller's market versus shifting to a more balanced market. So then we can thank the Fed because it's interest rates that have stimulated this. We have seen the numbers came in this morning on home starts for builders, and it's at a 13-year high. So builders' confidence, they're back in the market. They were dropping off their new construction. Now they're up to a 13-year high as far as new permits on building construction. So 2020 is setting up to be a good residential market listed for sale. So we had a drawdown in inventory. Again, that's a 4%, negative 4%. So that's the indication that pendulum may be shifting back towards more of a seller's market. If we continue this trajectory, that's what's going to happen. And it's going to be tough to find a good home to buy again here shortly if this continues. And we'll get to our commercial update in just a minute. Let's go to the just county by county and just see what we are looking at here. So let me pull it up. Rockwall County let's go to sales price. The median sales price in Rockwall County was up almost 11% in December. Kaufman County up 4.4%, Dallas County up 4%, Collin County up 3%. So, and again, remember guys, into the middle to third quarter of last year, we were seeing these numbers flat to negative. So this is the pendulum shift back from the interest rates dropping and obviously a good economy. The mix of the two are bringing buyers out looking for new homes. Days on market. We are still seeing an increase in year over year days on market, 21% up in Rockwall County. So they're sitting longer. Kaufman County up 5, Dallas County up 25, and Collin County up 2.2%. So still sitting a little longer on the market. So we haven't seen that pendulum shift all the way, because then we'll see negative numbers there. Then we have Rockwall County on month supply. So this is amount of inventory that we're seeing a drawdown on inventory in Rockwall County, down 6% to a 3.2 month supply. So that's that pendulum shift. Kaufman County up 3%. Now Kaufman County has more new construction probably than most other counties other than maybe Collin County. Dallas County down 11%, Collin County down 20%. Buyers came back in the market at the last 2 months of last year. It is, and it's all attributed to our economy, confidence there, and interest rates. Homes for sale down in Rockwall, up in Kaufman County, again, new construction there. Down in Dallas County, 8.8%, down 17% in Collin County. So we're seeing that boom pick back up in Collin County. New listings to the market up 4% in Rockwall County, up 31%. There you go. There's that new construction in Kaufman County. And then Dallas County down 2%, and Collin County down 3% in new listings. So it's basically flat there, except for Kaufman County. Rockwall County up 12.4% on pending sales. So these are going to be the lead indicator into January. Look at this. Kaufman County up 51%. So Kaufman County on a percentage basis is leading the whole area. I was looking for my numbers. I thought I pulled this. Last month, they were up like 30% in sales in Kaufman County, guys. So a lot of people, but that is a good indicator that people are still looking for affordability. The median price in Kaufman County is lower than these other counties that we're referencing, Dallas, Collin, and Rockwall County. So pending sales, Dallas County up 14%, Collin County. So all the way across the board, we're seeing more sales. Closed sales in December, here's that number, up 7.9% in Rockwall County. Look at this, Kaufman County up almost 5% year over year. Dallas County up 13%, Collin County up 12%. Kaufman County, you better start building some roads and schools because people are flying your way. So that's the residential real estate market update that we're really leading into 2020, that we're going to see another pickup. All things are indicating that direction. So it'll be a good time to sell. You do have more to choose from, so it's still a better time to buy than when we were in our big boom. But I don't know how much longer that's going to last, guys, based on what we're seeing here. So let's go to our commercials. So on the commercial side of things, what I'm seeing here, I love talking about warehouse space because I get calls daily to our commercial division on people looking for warehouse space, especially in Rockwall County. So DFW is the boom of warehouse space. So there are millions and millions of square foot of space coming to the market, but there is a ton of space that is in demand. So right now we have a 6% vacancy in the Dallas Metroplex, DFW market. Under construction, 14 million square feet. Completion, 8.2 million, and then 7.1 million is what we're absorbing. So we're basically absorbing everything that we're coming. So this is all these data centers, Google data centers, Amazon distribution centers, just millions and millions of square foot. And most of the absorption is coming from north of Fort Worth in that area. And then, but there's a big boom south of Dallas, which I've talked about south of Dallas in that huge warehouse district where they're putting in millions and millions of square foot of space, there's going to be a residential boom south of Dallas at some point, and it's already beginning to happen in that Ferris area. It's close commute, just tons of jobs going that way. But there is a huge void of warehouse space on the eastern side of the Metroplex. Everything's being built out north, west, and south, but nothing's coming out to Rockwall County area and beyond, and I get calls daily. And somebody's gonna start investing and put some big space out here at some point. I know it's coming, especially with the I-30 corridor completely being redone from all the way from 635. And we have a lot of other things coming this way too. So my point to you investors that are looking at this update, warehouse space is where it's at. And if you're on the eastern portion of the Metroplex, even anywhere else in the Metroplex, they're continuing to invest dollars here, and it's being absorbed as quickly as it's coming in, and we can't get enough warehouse space. So encourage you on that to make investment there. Dallas-Fort Worth is the country's biggest industrial construction markets, with more than 23 million square feet of buildings on the way. That's an amazing amount of space coming this way. So I'm a big bull on investing in warehouse space, but mostly in the eastern Metroplex, because there's very little coming out here, other than we did get some good news. We are getting some space in Mesquite, where there's a $71 million investment going in there, 80-acre project, and it will be about 1 million square feet, adding 1,000 jobs. So to the eastern Metro, I'm telling you, but that's why it's coming to Mesquite. And in even further east, you're going to find that there is huge demand for it. So if you're listening to this, look into it. Give me a call. So that's basically it on the market update. Year-end numbers, housing were great. We had another record year. 2020 looks like we're going to have another record year with the way things are setting up. Exciting times for everybody in every industry right now. Save your dollars. It won't last forever, but I expect a bull market again, maybe even converting to more of a seller's market, a stronger market, maybe like what we saw in 2017, if this trend continues here shortly into 2020. So if you guys need any real estate service, please reach out to us. Commercial, residential, property management. We have a team for each that would love the opportunity to serve you and give you a 5-star experience. So have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.